Hi, Generals. Welcome back from spring break. It's General time again, and this week we are concentrating on the Algebra 1 EOI. We're going to look at solving linear equations, which is a huge component for the Algebra 1 EOI. You can open up your notebook file and go through the file along with me, or you can just go through the notebook file yourself. The first is actually an interactive tool where all you have to do is press the previous button to start over on the screen, or press the play and stop button to hear. You're going to go through each of these sections. First, learn, and there's 4 sections to it. Then you're going to test, which is a really quick review. And then you're going to look at the concepts all over again. And then we'll go deeper into some more practicing. Let's get started by listening to this first learn section.
An equation is a math sentence with numbers, letters, and an equal sign in it instead of words.
Now let's go to the next screen.
To solve an equation, we have to find the correct value for the letter contained in the equation. To do this, rearrange the equation so that only the letter is on the left side of the equal sign. Remember, when we move a number to the other side of the equal sign, we must also change the numbers sign. Sometimes we need to divide to solve an equation. Divide both sides of the equation by the number before x. In some cases, we have to use both the steps we've just seen.
Okay, now let's see if we can answer some questions. Here's our first one. Unpause the video until you're done, or again, go to the notebook file and answer it there. Two is correct. Let's try again. Unpause the video when you're done. You got it. 5 is correct. Okay, now let's review. The goal for today is to learn how to recognize and solve a linear equation. Again, remember, an equation is a math sentence with numbers, letters, and an equal sign instead of words. To solve an equation, we have to find the correct value for the letter contained in the equation. To do this, rearrange the equation so that only the letter is on one side of the equal sign. And again, remember, when we move a number to the other side of the equal sign, we must also change the number sign. Let's do some more practice. Okay, let's continue with a little bit of a review. Can you write an example of a two-step equation? Just any letter and numbers will work. Pause the video until everyone has written their own example of a two-step equation, and then share it with the class and write all of your answers on the notebook file. Unpause the video when you're done. So, one of your examples may have been something like 2x plus 3 equals 10. That would be an example of a two-step equation because you had to do 2 steps. Okay, let's keep going. Now write an example of a one-step equation. Again, everybody write their example and then compile it on the notebook file. Unpause the video when you're done. Okay, a one-step equation that would be an example is like x minus 5 equals 12. Good job if all of you have different types of equations, and even if you try different letters instead of just x. Okay, let's see if we can identify the mistakes. Here is a problem that a student solved. On the notebook file, write where they went wrong. Unpause the video when you're done and we'll reveal the answer. Okay? You're right if you said the student should subtract from both sides instead of add it. Here's the correct procedure. Now let's try another identify the mistake or mistakes. Okay, here's another one. Again, identify what the student did wrong in the space provided, and then unpause the video and we'll look and see what the real answer is. Okay, you got it. The student should have subtracted from both sides, which they did. However, they should have divided and they multiplied incorrectly on top of that. So the correct procedure is below. Okay, now it's your turn. Show your work right here. And again, unpause the video to see the answer. You got it if you said the answer is 5. And now again, show your work right here. And unpause the video to reveal the answer. This was a trickier one. Yes, the answer is -7. Okay, great job, generals. I can't wait to talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.